Hey guys, I just returned from vacation and I still have a little bit of a jet lag. So not a proper drawing video, but sort of a review of Avengers Infinity War, which I just saw yesterday. And I also am drawing the Infinity Gauntlet. So hope you like it.
Well, after spending the last 3 weeks traveling, I missed the opening weekend of Avengers Infinity War, but I can happily say that I stayed safe of spoilers, and 2 hours after I got back to the Netherlands, I managed to go and see the movie. I mean, priorities, right? So, does this juggernaut of a movie live up to 10 years build up? Let's find out. I don't expect very deep stories when it comes to comic book movies. I do enjoy the occasional plot twist and the mishmash of genres that we got in Captain America Winter Soldier, still my favorite Marvel movie, but in general a competent and fun story is enough for me. And I feel for the most part Infinity War delivers. I mean, the story is nothing more than Thanos and his henchmen hunting for Infinity Stones so he can destroy half the universe to re-establish some sort of universal balance. Yeah, they don't call him the Mad Titan for nothing. But this is all there is to it. It's nothing else but one confrontation after the other. It is interesting that the movie stepped away from the 3-act structure, being a two-parter and all, but I was also missing something because of it. Or at least missing some sort of better defined structure, other than the bad guy and the heroes have one clash after the other in search of a MacGuffin. It's just so simplistic. And I feel this simplicity goes for the characters as well. The movie really banks on us already knowing all the characters, and there is little to no character development at all. We get some novelty from the fact that our heroes split up and battle different foes in different areas. This gives some nice interaction between characters that have not met before. Thor and the Guardians together are pure fun. They all get some catchphrases and lines that remind us who they are, but some of them, like Cap and T'Challa, have no personality at all when just looked at through the lens of this movie. I do feel that Marvel overcame its villain problem with Thanos. This time around they made his henchman totally boring and actually tried to flesh him out backstory-wise. Tried, as in there's not much there, but at least he is way more present throughout the movie, unlike Hela or Killmonger, for example. I really enjoyed the moments between him and his adopted daughter, Gamora, as well. Visually, it's a gorgeous movie. The Russo brothers take advantage of the galactic aspect of the Marvel Universe created by Kirby in showing us some spectacular vistas where the action happens. And the action itself is quite good. My favorite moment was the fight between Thanos and Doctor Strange, Infinity Gauntlet versus Magic. I was transported back to my childhood when I opened the big summer event crossover issue and I saw the lusciously drawn and colored pages of the comic book. Pure, unadulterated fun. Yeah, but other than that, there were no real standouts for me. As expected from a two-parter, the movie ends on sort of a cliffhanger. I would actually call this a very brave ending for this movie if I didn't know what the nature of these sort of movies is, which also ruins the whole dead characters part for me a bit. So, does Infinity War live up to the hype that has been building for 6 years since the first Avengers movie? Not quite, but that was to be expected. I still think it was a great summer fun, shut down your brain and enjoy the spectacle sort of movie. These were my feelings on Avengers Infinity War. Tell me what you think in the comment section below and subscribe if you want further movie reviews and drawing related videos. I also have an Instagram account where you can follow me for regular uploads. So, see you guys next week with a more drawing oriented video. Bye bye!